We're going to wrap up this instructional series by going over just a few care and maintenance tips for your new gripper. The gripper is a very low maintenance piece of equipment. There's just a few things to keep in mind moving forward that's going to get the most life out of your gripper. As a general rule, you just don't want to allow a bunch of sawdust to build up in your shop. Not on your saw, not on your wood. Whether it's wax or oil or sawdust, things can build up on your tools and they can build up on your green grip. So it's a good practice to once a month wipe it down with 91% isopropyl alcohol. It's good stuff. It's very easy to find in any old pharmacy or grocery store. It's all over the place. Just give it a couple sprays. And wipe it down with a clean cloth or paper towel. Good as new. You'll be amazed at how you can restore your traction with just a little bit of rubbing alcohol. If you're using your gripper correctly, the green grip should never wear down because it moves with the part. There's never friction. It always just stays on top in one place. You can, however, cut into these legs, and I say can, what I meant was will. And when you do, that's okay because all of these legs are individually replaceable in our online store. But these legs can take a few cuts before they need to be replaced, so as long as you don't feel like it's affecting its gripping power, you should be fine. You'll notice that the center leg, if you move both sides at the same time, it moves very smoothly. If you try to move one side at a time, it tries to bind up. But if you ever feel like it's getting sticky, a little bit of paste wax in this T-slot will make this thing run like butter. One last thing to keep an eye on is your O-rings. These O-rings are rubber, and like any rubber, over time it can get dried out, it can crack, and it can break. And these O-rings are important because as you're moving parts around, reconfiguring your gripper, you don't want to lose these knobs. That's why the O-rings are important. So if your O-rings break or get lost, those are replaceable and again available in our online store. Under normal conditions, your gripper should last a very, very long time. So just take good care of it like you would anything else in your shop. Don't leave it out in the sun with a green grip facing directly up. Don't take it scuba diving or don't bring it into outer space. Other than that, you should be in good shape. Enjoy.